Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is an Italian recipe. The main ingredient is ricotta. What is ricotta? Ricotta is an Italian whey cheese made from sheep, cow, goat or buffalo milk whey left over from the production of other cheeses. Ricotta curds are creamy white in appearance and slightly sweet in taste. The ricotta that I will use today comes from sheep. The first thing to do is to prepare the pasta sheets for the ricotta filling. The ingredients: you need 4 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 500 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients by using your hand. Prepare the working table and knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until you form a dough. Then, return the dough in the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap or a kitchen towel and place it in the fridge. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the ricotta filling. In a bowl, put the ricotta cheese and add the other ingredients such as parmesan cheese, chopped greens, I use beet leaves here, pepper, 1 egg, and salt. After 30 minutes, get the dough from the fridge and use the pasta maker to make pasta sheets. Prepare also the tomato sauce with ground meat. Now that the pasta sheets are ready, it's time to form ravioli. Scoop 1/2 teaspoon of this filling and fill the sheets with small balls. Observe a little space between them. With the help of a pasta cutter, form raviolis. Now, get a pot and fill it with 2 liters of water. When the water starts to boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt and slowly pour the pasta. Drain the pasta and put it in a bowl. Pour the tomato sauce. Sprinkle on top grated parmesan cheese.